2025 and women today still have to fight for equal footing in society. Change, though seemingly happening, isn't particularly steady or consistent enough. However, some women brave the tide and go against the flow to make a difference. In this special feature with Hyundai Motor India, we have one of Asia's most prominent lawyers, ALB's 40 under 40 and distinguished practitioner, Pritha Jha. Pritha, please tell us a little something about yourself.
First of all, thank you, Jim, so much for having me. My name is Pritha Jha. I'm a partner with Pioneer Legal, that's a law firm based out of Mumbai, and my core practice areas are private equity and mergers and acquisitions.
Well, thank you so much for having us here as well, and we look forward to having you in the car now. So Pritha, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us today. What we really want to know is your story. So starting out as a young woman in this field, what inspired you to go ahead and start your own firm?
When I started my career, I had a very different vision of what a lawyer's life is going to be like. If you go to any legal firm that has been set up maybe in the 80s or the 90s, they have a very set style of working. So we wanted to bring in policies that would help the new generation relate to the legal profession. The newer generation prefers more flexibility, likes to have a hybrid working style. So all of those little measures that had to be taken, it's very difficult to do when you're in a very large law firm, because getting 30 partners and 40 partners to agree to something is a difficult task. So we wanted to bring in change, and we were pioneering that change. That's how Pioneer Legal came into being.
So in terms of women empowerment now, which is the topic of discussion, would you say you have a lot of female lawyers coming in and learning the ropes?
If you look at the first 3, 4, even 5 years of the profession, we have more women than we have men. And then you will realize that as seniority goes up, suddenly somewhere from year 5 to year 10, they start dropping off. And then you'll see that there are more men at the top than there are women. Now, I think there are challenges, and I don't think those are challenges necessarily to being a woman. It's just the kind of responsibility that we've taken on upon ourselves that we feel the need to drop out.
So apart from, first you have your inspirations, what inspired you to take this particular career journey? Or what was, or you could say, one of the main reasons you came onto this line?
Arguing with people was like my favorite time pass. I would say it just became a profession. If you really like what you do, then you're truly invested, and you don't feel the number of hours that you spend doing something. So if you have the luxury of making your passion your profession, I think that's the best case scenario.
Right, Pritha. So in your fast-paced career, I'm sure having a car, and a reliable car, makes a big difference in your setup and routine. So how much of a role does having a reliable car play, and in what aspect do comfort, safety and technology make a difference on the go?
My family lives in Pune, so for the longest time, every weekend I would drive between Bombay and Pune and back. So having a good car was a big deal. For me. And because you're on the expressway and it's a high-speed road, obviously safety also matters a lot. In terms of features, some of the things that I really like in cars are ventilated seats, having a rear view wiper. Some of these things are now taken for granted. Over a period of time, you realize how important they are, and sometimes you feel I'm not sure how we survive without them.
Now, you have given us a platform to let women like yourself speak and inspire others. So, do you think this will go some way into making a difference for women today and in the future?
I think it's great that the platform is being provided, because then there is at least outreach, the ability for women to reach other women and help and hope that the message goes out to each of them. Empowerment for me, I think it's the ability to lead your life the way that you want without having to listen to societal pressure, be your own person, stop, cut out the noise of the rest of the world. Being able to drive gives a great sense of empowerment to women, and I don't think people realize this. I've had 2 nannies that take care of my baby, and instead of hiring a driver, I taught both of them how to drive. You should see the change in personality
True.
just because they are able to say, nobody in my family drives. I can drive.
That's brilliant. I mean, that's cracked it. Thank you so much for spending so much time with us. And
Not
looking
at all.
forward to-
Pleasure, and
Yeah.
thank you for giving me
Thank
the
you for having us
opportunity.
here.